Hi friends, welcome to Technical Jobs Guru. Friends, in this video today we will discuss a job opportunity from Adobe. So here Adobe is recruiting for the software quality engineer. The job location is at Noida and job posted 6 days ago and it is a full-time role and the advertisement number that mentioned is R11220. So in this video we will discuss in detail and the video will be in short only. So I will not be explaining in the video won't be lengthy one, so please do till the end. So if you are watching this video for the first time, so please do like the video and subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. So they mentioned here about their company. So here the Adobe does with works with creating the beautiful images and powerful pictures, videos, then apps. It means the animations and everything that is done with Adobe. So you will find in detail. If you want to see in detail, you can search in Google about Adobe. What does Adobe does? Okay, and then coming to the Adobe challenge, the Adobe does with working the documentation clouding and combining of collection of online services integrated with Adobe Reader, Adobe Acrobat and Adobe Sign. So this is going to combine all these platforms which Adobe is providing now, and they have a flexibility and the creativity and technical competences and a strong customer focus, everything they have now. So you can read better than this in your Google or anywhere. You can better to see in our other website about it. So I will now describe about roles and responsibilities. So here Adobe is the document cloud web team is looking for the exceptional software quality engineer. They are looking for the software quality engineer, those who can thrive to fast paced customer focused environment. And the software quality engineer still work closely with the developer and leads as a understand of the workflow and existing test cases. Okay, they have to compile the test cases and new test cases to be an execution and inspection of the new test cases and execution of the new test cases. Okay, and they deliver the future with a highest quality they require, and responsibilities including developing and execution of the test strategies to ensure the product quality. Okay, the quality of the product they require as you are recruiting as a quality engineer. So work closely with the development team and design and deliver with a key product features we have to deliver and maintain and the build software automation script, ensure the tight integration in the test animation with the CI and the CD efforts, and functional and non-functional test specifications and execution and reporting. So the main role is to execute the test and the inspection of the test. So they require the quality of the products. Okay, and then coming to requirements, so you are from a BE, BTech or MCA in a computer science side related course. Means if you are from electronics, so you have to apply for this because electronics students also studies the data structures, algorithms, etc. Okay, if you have experience, otherwise there is no experience mentioned here. 0 to 2 years of professional testing and automation experience. So on product or SDKs. So if you have experience, it is better. Otherwise, no worry. So without experience, also they mentioned experience in designing, implementation, and execution in test casing and reporting matrices and quality. So if you have experience in quality and the reporting matrices and testing, execution testing part, so it is better. Otherwise, you no worry, you can apply for this. Strong problem solving skills needed, and you should be identify, research, and resolve the problem. Okay, deep knowledge in full software development life cycle. So you should have the software life cycle and good coding skills, programming including JavaScript and scripting languages. So basic languages they ask those who studies in your BTech. Okay, and then if you have Junit and Ninit and Selenium experience with this automation framework, it is better. You will be provided as a preference. Otherwise, no worries. Good knowledge and basic computer science fundamentals like data structure and algorithm. Okay, experience in creating and maintaining the unit test and the continuous algorithm. So coming to the exam selection process, so we almost know everyone that we have three processes. First one is exam online test, then HR in technical interview, then HR interview. Okay, Online test will be provided to you in online only, or from your home only you can give. So in online test you will find first aptitude test, and the in technical round you will find basically you find basic computer science of data structure algorithm. So they will give you questions related to data structure algorithm. And the third round is technical interview, and the HR interview you have to do. Okay. And so this is the video, friend, experience in creating maintenance testing and continuous algorithm. So if you have these skills, nice to have, so they will be provided as a better, they will be provided preference, given preference in this job. Okay. Okay, friends, this is the video. If you want to apply for this, so you can click here apply. So you will, if you want, if you have a resume, so you can autofill with resume. If you upload resume, so it will get the data, it will automatically capture your data, your experiences, your skills, everything. Otherwise you can apply for manually, or if you have applied before, you can apply for my latest application. Otherwise you can apply for LinkedIn also. Okay. So this is the video, friends. You can apply for this if you are eligible for this job role, so you can apply. Okay, thank you, friends. If you like the video, please do subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends. Okay, thank you.